Let's do a 2-3 minute conversation practice. Let's say you are in a meeting and you have to describe that project in the meeting where your boss and the senior officers are sitting. You have to give a presentation in front of everyone.
Okay, good morning to all of you. And I have make a presentation.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
Ma'am, my name is Motilal Gupta.
So your name is Motilal, right?
Motilal Gupta, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Mr. Motilal, please tell me about yourself first.
Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself, ma'am. As I told you, my name is Motilal Gupta, and I did my graduation in 2012 from Technical University Bhopal. And since then, I am in private sector job. And right now, I am staying in Jamshedpur. Basically, I belongs from Singrauli district in Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about my family, I have 2 kids, and my younger son is 4.5-year-old, and elder is 1.5-year-old, and younger is 23 days.
What? 23 days?
My younger kid, younger boy, 23 days. Actually, he born recently in 1st September.
Okay. He was born on 1st of September.
First one is 4.5-year-old and second one is 23 days.
Okay. So are you okay if I correct your mistakes?
Definitely, ma'am. I join you to correct myself actually.
Yeah. So there were a few mistakes that I want to point out in your introduction. First, you said, I am working private sector job. I am doing private sector job. Instead of that, you should say, I am doing a job in private sector. I am doing a job in private sector.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And actually, I forgot the other sentences. I forgot everything. What did you say after that?
Ma'am, I am starting from, I am starting again. Okay?
Yeah.
Ma'am, as I told you, my name is Motilal Gupta. I belong from Singrauli district in Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah. I remembered the second mistake. You had said I belongs from this district. What is the name of the district?
Singrauli district. Singrauli.
When you were introducing yourself, you had said I belongs from Singrauli district. Instead of that, you should say I belong to. And we can't say belongs with I. I belong to Singrauli district. I am basically from Singrauli district, or I belong to Singrauli district. And after that, what did you say? I don't remember.
Yes. After that, I did my graduation from Technical University 2012. Since then, I have been working in different companies. And right now, I am working as an assistant manager in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
Okay. That's great. So you have been working since 2012, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what did you do in graduation? I mean, what did you do? Did you do BTech?
BTech, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, you did BTech. Okay, that's great. So did you clear the entrance exam?
No, ma'am. Actually, graduation last semester, that time one company organized a campus selection, and I had selected in that company.
You got selected in that company. You got selected in the campus interview.
Yes, ma'am.
You were doing BTech.
Right? There was.
So when you had to take admission in BTech, did you take entrance exam to get admission in BTech?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That time in 2008, that time one entrance exam was conducted by MP government, which was PET, pre-engineering test.
Okay.
I qualified the pre-engineering test, then I got admission in BTech.
Okay, so you cleared PET exam, then you gave the interview, then you got the admission, right?
Right. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Tell me, what does your wife do?
Pardon?
What does your wife do?
My wife is a housemaker, ma'am.
Your wife is a homemaker. Housemaker is not a word, she is a homemaker. And now tell me about your children.
And my elder kid is studying in play school.
Okay.
And younger is.
Okay. One more thing I wanted to point out that 4.5 is something that is used in maths. But in English, we don't talk like that. We don't say my elder son is 4.5 years old. We should say he is 4.5 years old. My elder son is 4.5 years old. Okay, we don't say
Yes, ma'am.
4.5. 4.5 is something that we say in maths.
Mathematical, yes.
Yeah. And your younger son is just 23 days old. So is he giving you
Yes.
sleepless nights?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Actually, my family is at home. She is not in with me at Jamshedpur.
Okay.
So that I am free here, and I come to know there 1 month later, actually.
Okay, your wife is in the village right now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So have you not seen your younger child? You have not seen your son?
I seen, ma'am. I actually seen. I was there for 2 days when my
Son was
younger
born.
child born. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because that is cesarean, so that I was in hospital with my wife for
Okay.
3 days, actually.
Okay. Okay. So you went there to see your child. She had a cesarean. Okay. So you
Yes.
stayed with her in the hospital for about 3 days. Then you came here.
Yes.
Now she is there. Now, is she discharged from hospital?
Yes, ma'am. Now she is registered and now she is okay.
But ladies need a lot of care in cesarean,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, ma'am. My mother and my uh, sister-in-law is there, so that they are caring her.
So your mother and sister-in-law are there to take care of her. So they are looking
Yes.
after her,
Yes.
and they are taking care of your elder son also,
Yes, ma'am.
because your wife can't take care of him right now, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yes.
is your elder son jealous of the younger one, or he's okay and happy?
Actually, he is very naughty. Actually, he don't want to he don't want to sleep with mother. His mother, actually.
Okay.
He said, "Mama, if I sleep with you, then Babu uh, will be panic. Actually, Babu will be get uncomfortable,
Okay. Okay. So he understands. He's
irritated,
not
and
jealous of him. That means
yes.
it means he's not jealous of him.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so he is very
No,
naughty and
ma'am.
he doesn't sleep with his mother. He thinks that if he also sleeps with his
Mother,
mother,
yes,
then the little baby will get uncomfortable.
uncomfortable. Actually,
Okay. So tell me, why do you want to learn English?
ma'am. Actually, learning of English is the basic need of in current time. Actually, I am working as assistant manager, so that all mails are all reports are in English, so that I have to represent myself, my progress to my boss or my client. So that this is the first need to learn English, and second one is that all syllabus of my kids is also in English,
Correct.
so that I can't help him to improve their knowledge or to solve their questions. So that I think the English is very important to communicate each other.
Right. You will grow in your career if you are good at English, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sure, ma'am. Because there is no other way to improve ourselves without English.
Correct.
Because English is a common language.
And I have seen there are so
And-
many people in companies, they are very good at their job. I mean, they are very skilled, but if they are not able to express themselves in English, and if they are not very good
Yes.
at communication skills, they don't get good promotions and they don't grow very fast. They get stuck. They get stuck at one place. They don't get ahead only because of English. Do you feel so?
Yes, ma'am. This is the very big problem. If we are technically very sound, but
Yeah.
we are not able to speak ourselves in English,
Right.
then it is very possible to that is not possible to convey to anybody
Correct.
about our talent.
Right. Even if you are very, very talented, your excellence, your brilliance doesn't reach the other person. So how would the other person know that you are actually very, very technically sound and you are really brilliant? How will they know? Because you can't express yourself clearly. So they think that, there
Yes.
is some problem and you lack confidence because of that.
Yes, ma'am. Because I also face this problem because I disqualified in 2 or 3 interviews due to my English communication. So that I started to work on my communication, and I fascinated about it that one day I will become a fluent English speaker, and I will doing the I am putting my effort towards my goal.
Okay. So,
And
yeah,
I
that's
keep
great.
I keep watching your video. I keep watching your video also on YouTube. Many times, shorts many times, especially who are based on any activity. Just you made a video on kitchen, how to kitchen, how to
Okay.
the process to make chapatis or
Right.
etc. So
That is
that,
actually conversational
that
and practical English. If we learn that, we
yeah,
can, talk about anything, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
So,
that one day I thought I will connect to ma'am and I will ask about myself, what is my level actually and what area I have to improve to communicate in English. Yes, ma'am.
do you speak with everyone in English in your office?
No, ma'am. When my superiors came to my side office, then uh, all meetings uh, uh, all meetings could be held in English only. Other than in daily use, we are using Hindi.
Okay. So that I
And
can tell because after talking to you, I could make out that you are not very habitual of talking in English. So you only talk in English in meetings. That is why you are hesitating and you are getting stuck. So your level of
yes,
English is not bad. You are better than basic level, but you are making grammar mistakes. Plus, you are getting stuck, and that is the problem. You have to get a lot of speaking practice, then you will improve. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So you should use some app to get speaking practice every day. Are you using any app to practice English?
No, ma'am. Still, I didn't use any app.
Okay, so what else are you doing to improve your English? You are only listening to English content and watching
Yes,
English
ma'am. I
content?
will watching English content and reading some English story and practicing in front of mirror. And I make some videos, 2 or 3 minutes videos. Whatever I learned from YouTube, then that I applied ourselves.
Okay, that's great. But you should talk to people also. You are talking to yourself. That is also a very good way to improve English, but you need to talk to other people also. There are so many apps which give you free practice and they give you free audio calls. And there
Yes.
is one app called Sparky. That is a very, very affordable app. If you take subscription of this app, you have to pay just 100 rupees in 1 month. It is an AI app.
Sparky.
Yeah, Sparky. You can talk for as long as you want. So you can even practice for 10 hours a day. And it is an app. It is like a fox. A fox will talk to you. It will correct your grammar mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, and it will talk to you as if a person is talking to you. So if you don't have a speaking partner, you can use this app to practice English. If you take the 6 month subscription of this app, it is only 600. That means 100 rupees a month. It is the cheapest app that I know.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yeah.
This is not very costly. 600 rupees.
So you can download this app. I have given a link in the description of this video. You can find that link
Yeah.
in the description of this video. And so you can click on that link and then go for the 6 month subscription, right? That will be really helpful
Yes.
for you. Okay. So can you suggest some activity which we can do today?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I headed to office at 9 a.m. And then your message, I saw on Insta, then you have put a message. And my actually lunch time is 1 o'clock.
Okay.
But yes, but so that I called you for 1:30.
Okay.
But due to your 12:45 season, I come back early
Okay.
at home for lunch, and I
Okay.
am conversing with you.
Okay. Okay. So
And my office time is 9 to 6 p.m. daily. Actually, my company based on Delhi based company, and here is side office, project
Okay.
office in Jamshedpur. So that our timing is 9 to 6 p.m.
okay. So let's do a 2-3 minute conversation practice. So let's say
Yes.
you are in a meeting and you are doing some project. And you have to describe that project in the meeting where your boss and the senior officers are sitting. So how will you explain about it? You
Okay.
have to give a presentation in front of everyone
Yeah.
in the meeting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning to I am presenting. Okay, good morning to all of you. And I have make a presentation regarding the client has demanded 2 kilometers cable. It Actually, this is
Okay.
our business, actually, ma'am.
Okay. Let me keep correcting you because otherwise I will forget. So you should not say I have make. You should say I have made a presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Make is wrong. I have made a
I
presentation. Yeah.
I have made a presentation to sell our 20-kilometer cable to client,
Okay.
and there are some quotation like other companies, so that I introduce my company, so that I introduce my company rate, and client is agree with me. So I want to your kind approval with 5% discount.
Mhm.
So that can you all suggest me, can we give 5% discount to my client for 20-kilometer cables?
Okay. So here you can say that I want to give a presentation to the clients so that they buy our cable. And is it okay if I give them 5% discount? Do you agree with
Yes.
me? Is it okay with you? You can say like that. And then,
And if our boss says that no, 5% is much,
too much.
then you too much. 5% is too much. You can bring to client up to 3%.
Okay.
And then I discussed with my client, and he is agree with 3%, and the deal has been final, and delivery should be in next month.
Okay. So
Yes.
if the boss says no, 5% is too much, then you try to convince the client for 3% discount. And if he agrees, then you finalize the deal, and then you have to deliver maximum by next month. You have only 1 month to deliver, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And if the boss asks you a question, give me an example. Let's say he's asking you something about this deal.
Actually, ma'am, if my boss asked about it, that I will say him that Havels is also a big manufacturing company, and the client is preferring Havels. But I said him about good qualities of our cables, so that he convinced with me, and I committed him to fast delivery and reliability of our product.
Okay.
So that client is agree with it, and he has declined the deal of other company,
Okay.
and he's yes.
Okay. So you have convinced the customer that your products are the best, and you have assured that
Yes.
they will get reliable products and they will get delivery on time, so that the customer
ma'am.
stays with you and they never go to other companies, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are doing these kind of meetings.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your boss is happy with
So
your.
that yes, ma'am. So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
I am not able to represent in English, because I know English, I understand English, but when I want to speak in front of anybody, the words not come in my mind.
Right, right.
That is the
That
big
is-
problem.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. That when I'm talking to you, you are speaking well, but sometimes the words are not coming to your mind. This shows you are not practicing enough. That is the only problem. So it is just lack of practice. If you practice more, the app I just told you, just download that app and practice every day. So whenever you have a meeting about anything, you practice with Sparky and discuss this project with me, so that I can go and present this in the meeting. So you can do those kind of things also. Plus, it can help you practice for interviews also. So start practicing on this app. This will definitely make you fluent. And so many of
Yes.
my viewers have told me that this app has actually helped them.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Sure.
I hope you get a very good job and you clear your next interview.
I will download it today.
Okay, okay. So you will get the
Yes,
link.
let's see,
I will
ma'am, what
actually,
happened.
yeah, I will send you the link on Instagram.
Yes.
Then
On my personal one,
I will send you
on
the
my
link.
personal one, you share the link on my personal one.
Yeah, I will send you the link on Instagram. Yeah, Instagram chat, right? Okay, then it was a lovely conversation and best of luck.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
best of luck. You spoke well and
Thank
you
you.
will get even
Thank
more
you.
fluent
Thank
with
you.
time. Okay,
Yes.
okay. We can connect again after
ma'am.
2-3 months. So you
Okay,
can
thank
send
you.
me message again, right?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, then bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.